fun!
Primula Avalon Whistling Stovetop Tea Kettle. The Avalon tea kettle is made of durable, food-grade stainless steel that will last. This kettle will boil water in no time and features a trigger spout built into the cool touch handle, making pouring and serving safe and easy. The wide mouth opening and removable lid makes filling the kettle a breeze. The whistling spout will alert you with a pleasant, loud whistle when water is boiling and ready to use. SUSTEAS Stovetop Whistling Tea Kettle. Ergonomically designed handle and push-button technology makes pouring a breeze. Make tea with this 2.64-quart large kettle for your entire family. The loud whistle guarantees that you can hear it from another room when the water is boiled. SUSTEAS tea kettle is made of 3 layers encapsulated base, even heat boils water faster. Thickened body, increased product weight, providing the best quality products on Amazon. It also comes with 1 free premium anti-hot holder, packaged in a stylish gift box. Best gift for your families or your friends. ROCKURWOK Tea Kettle Stovetop Whistling Teapot. This tea kettle is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensures rust resistant. The materials are professional food grade and you can safely enjoy years of use. Solid wood handle and lid handle allow you to grab the tea kettle with bare hand without risking burns. The ergonomic shape and design maximize your comfort to lift, pour and fill. The kettle is coated with high-temperature painting, won't fade and easy to clean. The Bakelite spout press protects your hands from the heat and makes one-hand pouring possible.